Welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the world of ATVs, bringing you the best advice, reviews, and tips to enhance your riding experience. Today, we're exploring a crucial component of ATV maintenance that often goes overlooked: oil. Choosing the right oil for your ATV isn't just about keeping the engine running, it's about optimizing performance, ensuring durability, and tailoring your ride to the terrain you love. From the adrenaline-pumping trails to the rugged, uncharted terrains, we got you covered with our top 7 ATV oil choices for every rider. Let's rev up those engines and dive into our first pick. Number 1. Polaris 4 Pounds Oil Filter Kit. The Polaris 4 Pounds Oil Filter Kit emerges as a pinnacle of engineering, tailored specifically for the robust world of Polaris ATVs. This kit is not just another maintenance package. It's a comprehensive system designed to elevate the performance and longevity of your ATV. At its core, the kit includes the renowned 4 Pounds oil, celebrated for its high-quality formulation that ensures smooth engine operation and enhanced durability. This oil is a product of rigorous research, developed to withstand the harsh conditions of off-road riding, from steep hill climbs to navigating challenging muddy terrains. The inclusion of a genuine Polaris oil filter within the kit further highlights the brand's dedication to engine protection and efficiency. This filter acts as a guardian, trapping contaminants and ensuring that your engine's internals remain clean and functional. The synergy between the 4 Pounds oil and the Polaris oil filter ensures that your engine is not just running, but thriving even under the most demanding conditions. The Polaris 4 Pounds Oil Filter Kit stands as a testament to Polaris' commitment to quality and reliability, offering ATV riders a top-tier solution for their maintenance needs, ensuring that their adventures can continue without interruption. Number 2. Honda TRX 350 Rancher ATV Oil Kit. The Honda TRX 350 Rancher ATV Oil Kit is specifically formulated to cater to the unique needs of the Rancher series, embodying Honda's commitment to excellence and precision engineering. This kit serves as an all-encompassing solution for riders, providing them with everything necessary for a thorough oil change. The oil included in this kit is of the highest grade, tailored to enhance the engine's performance and offer unparalleled protection against the rigors of trail and terrain riding. Its viscosity is meticulously optimized for the Rancher's engine specifications, promoting smooth operation and shielding against the adverse effects of wear and tear. Accompanying the oil is a genuine Honda oil filter, a critical component in maintaining the engine's cleanliness and efficiency over time. This filter is designed to work in harmony with the oil, ensuring that any potential contaminants are effectively removed from the engine system. The Honda TRX 350 Rancher ATV Oil Kit simplifies the maintenance process for Rancher owners, providing a streamlined and efficient way to ensure their ATV remains in peak condition, ready to tackle any adventure that lies ahead. Number 3. Canam Outlander ATV Oil Change Kit. The Canam Outlander ATV Oil Change Kit is an essential investment for those who push their ATVs to the limits. Crafted with the spirit of adventure in mind, this kit includes specially formulated oil that is capable of enduring the extreme conditions the Outlander is often subjected to. Whether facing the cold challenges of snowy mountains or the abrasive environment of sandy dunes, this oil maintains its performance, ensuring the engine operates at its best. The kit's high-quality oil filter plays a vital role in preserving engine health, capturing any debris or contaminants that could potentially cause damage. The advanced formula of the oil not only provides robust protection against wear and corrosion, but also prevents the accumulation of harmful deposits, ensuring the engine's longevity and reliability. This makes the kit an indispensable tool for Outlander riders who demand the highest level of performance and protection for their vehicles. The Canam Outlander ATV Oil Change Kit encapsulates the essence of proactive maintenance, enabling riders to continue exploring the extremes with confidence and peace of mind. Number 4. Honda TRX 350 Rancher ATV Basic Oil Kit. The Honda TRX 350 Rancher ATV Basic Oil Kit is the epitome of simplicity and effectiveness for ATV maintenance. Tailored for the Rancher's engine, the kit includes premium oil that ensures optimal performance and protection. This straightforward approach to maintenance means that the kit focuses solely on providing high-quality oil, designed to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. The oil's formulation is the result of Honda's extensive experience in ATV engineering, offering protection against the harsh realities of heavy usage and environmental challenges. While the kit may not feature the additional maintenance components found in more comprehensive packages, its strength lies in its uncomplicated, direct approach to engine care. It's an ideal choice for rancher owners who value simplicity, efficiency, and the assurance of using products that meet Honda's stringent standards for quality and performance. The basic oil kit represents a practical, no-nonsense solution for maintaining the engine's vitality, ensuring that your rancher is always ready for the next adventure. Number 5. Kawasaki ATV UTV Oil 10-40. Kawasaki's ATV UTV Oil 10-40 stands as a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to delivering top-tier performance and reliability. Crafted with the utmost precision, this oil is specifically formulated to provide unparalleled protection for Kawasaki engines, ensuring optimal performance under a broad spectrum of conditions. The carefully selected 10-40 viscosity grade enhances its versatility, making it ideal for a wide array of temperatures and riding environments. Riders can look forward to not only improved engine performance but also significant protection against wear and tear. This oil works tirelessly to minimize the accumulation of sludge and other detrimental deposits that can impair your engine's health and efficiency. Kawasaki has gone above and beyond to ensure that oil not only meets but surpasses the rigorous expectations of riders. This commitment transforms every journey into an exceptional experience, regardless of whether you're conquering challenging terrains or cruising through picturesque trails. With Kawasaki's oil, your ATV or UTV is perpetually primed for adventure, guaranteeing reliability and exhilaration at every turn. Number 6. Yamaha OEM Yamalube ATV Oil Kit. Yamaha's OEM Yamalube ATV Oil Kit epitomizes the pinnacle of brand-specific engineering, providing a tailor-made solution that caters exclusively to Yamaha ATVs. This comprehensive kit is designed with the unique needs of Yamaha riders in mind, incorporating high-quality Yamalube oil known for its superior protection and performance-enhancing properties. The oil's advanced formulation is engineered to significantly reduce wear, prevent the buildup of harmful deposits, and ensure seamless engine operation across diverse conditions. Complemented by a genuine Yamaha oil filter, the kit delivers a holistic approach to engine maintenance. This synergy ensures that your ATV's engine remains in pristine condition, mirroring the performance of a brand new machine. Yamaha's meticulous attention to detail and dedication to excellence are evident in every component of the Yamalube ATV Oil Kit. For Yamaha enthusiasts, this kit represents an indispensable tool for upholding the health and performance of their cherished ride. Number 7. Liqui Moly ATV UTV Oil 5W50. The Liqui Moly ATV UTV Oil 5W50 closes our list as a symbol of supreme performance and exhaustive protection. Its broad viscosity range underscores its adaptability, making it an ideal choice for a spectrum of climates and riding scenarios. Enhanced with cutting-edge additives, this oil offers formidable defense against wear, corrosion, and the propensity of the oil to thicken under extreme conditions. Liqui Moly's devotion to excellence guarantees that this oil not only safeguards your engine, but also augments its performance, facilitating smooth operation and extended lifespan. For riders who demand nothing but the best from their ATVs and UTVs, the Liqui Moly ATV UTV Oil 5W50 emerges as the unparalleled option. It embodies the essence of tranquility and dependability, ensuring that every ride is backed by the highest standards of quality and performance. Choosing the right oil for your ATV is a decision that can significantly impact your riding experience and the longevity of your engine. From the trails to the rugged terrains, each of the 7 oils we've reviewed today offers unique benefits tailored to different riding needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize simplicity, brand loyalty, or the versatility of use in various conditions, there's an oil on our list that's perfect for you. Remember, regular maintenance with the right products is key to unlocking the full potential of your ride. Happy trails, and until next time, keep your engine running smoothly and your adventures wild.